students, welcome to Knowedge. This is a short trick video session and we shall start with trick number 1 today. The topic is least common multiple or the LCM. As we all know, the concept is introduced in class 5 and we continue to use it in solving various problems even in competitive exams after graduation. So till now you would have been using your old conventional time consuming method for finding the LCM. But today I am here to teach you an easy and short trick that will help you save time during your exams. So let's start. First I have a set of numbers 6, 4 and 12. Now the first step here to find the LCM is that you have to take the greater number out of these three. Here the greater number is 12. Now the next step will be that you have to divide this 12 by these two numbers. So first let's try with 6. 6 2s are 12, so it divides, 6 divides 12, and then 4 3s are 12, so 4 also divides 12. Now since this number is divisible by both 6 and 4, the LCM is 12. Okay, and then let's try with 5, 30 and 50. Now here our first step is to choose the greater number. So it is 30 here. Now let's try dividing 30 by 5. 5 3s are 30, so it divides. And then same way 15 into 2 is 30. So 15 also divides 30. So since both the numbers divide 30, here our LCM will be 30. Okay. Now next one is 3 and 1. It's very easy here. The greater number is 3. We get a 3 in one table, right? 1 3s are 3. So 1 can divide 3. So here LCM is 3. Okay. And then suppose we have a set of numbers 12, 18, 6 and 4. Now here our greater number is 18. Let's try to divide 18 by all these three numbers. 12 cannot divide 18. 6 can divide 18. 6 3s are 18. So it divides. And then here 4 cannot divide 18. So what we need to do is, if we are not able to divide 18 by any of these numbers, then we have to multiply this 18 by 2 now. 18 into 2. This will give you 8 2s are 16. So 36. Now let's see whether these two numbers can divide 36. 12 3s are 36. It divides. And then 4 9s are 36. So this also divides. So now here our LCM will be 36. Okay, here we have chosen the greater number. We have to see if we can divide this number by the other numbers. Now if you are not able to divide, then we have to multiply this greater number by 2. Then see whether you are able to divide this answer by all these numbers. If you are able to divide, then 36 will be your LCM. Okay, our next set of numbers are 8, 24, 6 and 5. Now here 24 is our greater number. 8 can divide 24, 8 3s are 24, then 6 4s are 24, but 5 won't divide 24. So again multiply 24 by 2. 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 48. 5 cannot divide 48 because all the multiples of 5 will end in either 0 or 5, right? So what we need to do, we can try multiplying it by 3. 4 3s are 12. 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. Okay, it's 80. It's 72 here. Yeah, it cannot divide. 72 cannot be divided by 5 because all the multiples of 5, as I said, ends in 0 or in 5. So what we need to do, even if we divide it by 4, say, let's see, 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 96. No, it will not divide because it doesn't end in 0 or 5, right? Then let's try multiplying it by 5. So 24 into 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. So 120 can be divided by 5. It goes 24 times. Now 120 can be divided by 5. So this means that this will be our LCM here. Okay. So our LCM is 120. Got it? Now first we have to choose the greater number. Then try dividing this greater number by all these three numbers. If it divides, then this will be the LCM. Or if it doesn't divide, then you have to try multiplying it by 2. Then you try to divide this answer by these 3 numbers. If you are not able to divide, then multiply it by 3. If you are still not able to divide, multiply it by 4. And then you have to do this, try this until you are able to divide the answer. So when it divides, then your answer, final answer will be the LCM. Okay, now shall we try one more example? We have 2, 3, 14. Now 14 is a greater number here. 2 can divide 14, 2 7s are 14, but 3 will not divide 14. So what you need to do? Our next step is multiply 14 into 2. 4 2s are 8, 1 2s are 2. 28 cannot be divided by 3. So multiply 14 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 42. I think 42 will divide. Right? 42 divided by 3. 3s are 3. 4 3s are 12. Yes. It divides. It goes 14 times. So here 42 will be our LCM. So LCM is equal to 42. Okay. Now initially as a beginner, when you learn, you will have to do all these calculations. It will take some time. But when you get a hang of it, then you can do it in a minute. You just need a little practice. Okay. That's all for now. I'll come up with another interesting and useful video. Until then, bye-bye.